So this is the part that broke off the lawnmower. This part here would fit right up under the bottom here, like this. Something about like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld a piece on here and pop this bolt loose from that. Looks like that bolt is welded to that old piece of metal there. If I can get this to sit in the vise to hold that bolt, I'll pop this one off from the other side. I'll go there and look and see what I got for sockets. Something that should be about the right size for that. I'll do it. And we'll see if we can get that to work. You leaving us, buddy? You want to tell the YouTube world where you're going?
I am headed onto a canoeing trip with college in the St. Croix River, I believe.
So you're going to be canoeing up along the Canadian border?
Something like that.
For days?
Yeah.
Many days?
Like 3 or 4.
Alright. That should be awesome.
I'm really excited.
I hope you enjoy it to pieces.
I will.
Good luck with everything.
I'll see you in a few days.
Okay. Send up a smoke signal if you need us.
Alright.